Hello heroes and welcome to HeroDev YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to customize texts in React Native, how to style them, how to use their properties, and some tips and tricks. Now let's try to add a text, for example title, and let's style it. Let's give him styling. Let's open a new object. Let's give him just font size. Font size is the size of the font. For example, let's make it 30. Look, now our title become 30. Let's make it in the center. We have a property called textAlign. We can make it at the right. Look, it become at the right. We can make it at the left. Okay, we can make it in the center. We can add to him color, for example, color, of red, maybe blue. Maybe we can use another color from Hex colors. I want to show you. We have here a website called React Colors. We can pick any color that we want. For example, that color. Let's copy that hex and add it here. Look, that's the color. Let's make it black. We can give him a font weight also. Font weight. We can make it 400. We can make it 100. Look, it becomes thinner. We can make it bold because it's the title. We can make it bold. Now let's add a new text. And let's call it subtitle. Title. And let's give him some styling. For example, let's make it at the center. TextAlign center as well. Let's give him a font size of 16. Let's give him a gray color. Now let's learn how to use nested text. For example, if you want to make something like, if you don't have an account, please subscribe or please sign up. Let's make it. Let's add a text and add hello to HeroDev YouTube channel. And let's add inside this text another text. But first, let's give them this text some styling first. This styling will be font weight, will be bold, and let's give him margin top. I described margin before. I want to make space from this text and the top, so let's make a margin top of 20. So now we have a space of 20 pixels, and let's give him text. Let's use this nested text. Let's add a text inside another text, and let's type in this text, please subscribe. Now we want to make please subscribe a pressable. I want to press on it, and I want to make it underline under this please subscribe, and make it change his color. Now let's give him some styling to do this. We have here a property called textDecorationLine, and let's make it, we can make it line through. We can make it underline. Look, and we can make it underline and line through. But now in our example, we want to make it just underline, and it changes color to be, for example, red. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. If you notice here, this text, please subscribe, took all the styles of his parent text, font weight, bold, and margin top 20. But he's not taking this color of black. Why? Because we give him a color of red. Now we have a great property called onPress. Let's add it here. If you want to make something when the user press on your text, for example, we want to make an alert, and let's call it subscribed. When we press on this text, we've got an alert called subscribe. Look, that's in Android, that's in iOS. Because we have here onPress function, and that's a property, we can use it when we want to make the text pressable, to do something when we press a text. Now our last example, what if we have a big text? For example, we have here a text. Let's call it lorem. Lorem, we use this to generate a tool text. Now we have here a big text. We want to make it justified. So we have to give him some styling and give him textAlign of justify. Look, our text looks better than before. What if we want to add spaces or new lines? For example, I want to add a line after this emit word. So what we have to do is to open an object and add this string. When we save pressed, we have here a line. If we want to make it 2 lines, just repeat it. Now it's 2 lines. If you want to, for example, to put a new line after Maxime, just use this. Look, we have here where the line. Oh, sorry. We have to use this. Here is a new line after Maxime. We can double it. 2 lines after Maxime. Now let's remove this. The last property I wanna use here is how to control the number of lines. For example, I want to only show that big text has a lot of words. I want to show only 3 lines or 6 lines. You have to use this property, number of lines, and make it 6. Now we have here display only 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can make it 4. Now those only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. Because this video got taller, I wanna to subscribe how to add custom fonts in React Native. So this video is very tall, so I'm gonna make it in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe and to subscribe to this playlist, because I'm gonna teach you how to use all core components of React Native. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe.